Hey everyone, here is the southern edge of the moon. The time is 8:19 p.m. on Wednesday, June 12th. So you're looking at here are the craters on the bottom side of the moon, and you're actually just looking at the bottom side of a crescent. So the bottom part of the sphere of the moon is actually much lower than that. It's not a full moon, so you're just looking at where the shadow of the Earth meets the moon. So let's try to see if we can get this back in. Let's kind of explore a little bit. So you can see this is what you're looking at here is the shadow of where the Earth and the moon mix. So let's kind of check things out. There's a pretty nice looking crater there. Sorry, it's shaking a little bit because I'm adjusting the viewfinder. There's some craters right there. As you can see, the shadow of the Earth and the angle of the moon, that's right there is where there's some sort of fade on the sphere. Let's see, let's go a little farther north. There's some more features of the moon, and this is the top part of the moon. So you can see there's a little range. I guess on Earth that would be our version of mountain ranges, but these are craters on the moon. Let's see. You can see there's a nice well-defined crater right there. The edges where the shadows of the sun reflect over those different crater basins create those shadows, and you're seeing the moon drift off, and that's because the Earth is rotating. So just like the moon goes through the sky, so too does it through the telescope. But what's really cool is you can actually see it. You can see how fast the Earth is rotating because the moon is moving across the viewfinder here and giving you a pretty decent look at some of the features. So when you look up at the moon and you see these dark spots, that's actually one of them right there. So if you ever kind of wondered what it looks like up close, there they are. If you go outside and take a look at the moon after watching this video and you see those dark spots, this is what they look like up close. They're actually probably just patches or basins from old craters that have eroded over millennia. Let's kind of explore the very northern hemisphere of the moon. Here we go. And we're back to those crater features. Giving you a little tour of our only satellite. There's a pretty decent crater right here. Just let the telescope equalize for a minute. There we go. Let's see. That's a good shot. And I will leave you with this parting shot of the moon as it is passing us by. And I shouldn't say it's passing us by because the Earth is actually just rotating. The moon is fixed in orbit around the Earth. We're just rotating. Let's see here. How about I leave you with that shot right there? That's kind of cool. There's a lot of features down here. Pretty neat. Enjoy.